Hey guys, I'm Casey Simone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Sony RX100 Mark VII. It has some brand new features. The biggest thing about this camera that is different from the Mark 1 through 6, this camera has a audio jack, so you can connect an external microphone. It also is able to record in unlimited 4K. Every single thing that you see in this video is shot on this camera. I don't have it because I'm recording myself with it now, but everything that you're going to see in the video is shot with the Sony RX100 Mark VII. For this video, I wanted to test out just it by itself and not adding any accessories or third-party items. So even though it's capable of connecting an external microphone, I personally am not using one today. So it is currently a cloudy day, but just in case you can't tell, I do not have an ND filter on this camera, and there is no built-in ND filter. An ND filter is basically like sunglasses for your camera. So on really bright sunny days, if you know, like you would want to put sunglasses on, that's the same reason why you would want to use an ND filter. Something may be like completely blown out and white because it's too bright outside, but if you put an ND filter on, you can start to see some of the colors again. Again, I do not have like a third-party ND filter on this lens, and there is no built-in lens. So what you see is what you get. The camera itself is right at $1,200. That's $1,200 before tax. I also bought, Sony does sell a really small tripod that goes with it that you can also use as like a vlogging stick, like a selfie stick kind of, and there's 3 buttons on it. So one button to take a photograph, one button to record video, and one to like zoom in and out, which did come in handy for this trip. But that itself is $100, so now we're up to $1,300. I bought like a warranty plan for the camera in case anything ever happens. So that was another $100. I bought an extra battery, and I bought an SD card. So all of that plus tax was more than $1,500. I think it was like $1,520 something. I'll have to go back and look at my receipt, but yeah, it was like more than $1,500. So that is my review of the Sony RX100 Mark VII. Is this a camera for everybody? I'm gonna say no, primarily because of the price. I think it's just unrealistic to assume that everyone is gonna be able to be like, oh yeah, I can spend $1,200 before tax on a camera. Sure, yeah, I can do that. No, most people cannot. Like, I think this camera is gonna, like, a lot of people are gonna turn away from this camera simply because of the price. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful and, you know, can help you decide if this is the camera for you. And if it's not the camera for you, I'm curious to know, what do you think is a better alternative than this? At this point, I'm probably not going to return this camera, but I'm interested to know what you guys think. So I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.